Hi everyone, my name is Nirupama and welcome to Simplify. A good bedtime routine can set the tone for how well you sleep at night and how well rested you wake up in the morning. In today's video, I'm sharing with you one of my favorite bedtime rituals. A warm, soothing cup of golden drink packed with ingredients that will not just calm your mind and reduce inflammation but also support recovery of your body while you sleep. It's simple, cozy and full of health benefits. Let's make it together. Let's first check out the 7 amazing ingredients that we are going to use in this recipe. Number 1, nutmeg. It has great anti-inflammatory properties. Number 2, turmeric. The active compound in turmeric is curcumin, and curcumin has been thoroughly researched for its anti-inflammatory benefits. Number 3, black pepper. Black pepper is going to help you absorb the curcumin from turmeric better. Number 4, cinnamon. Also offers anti-inflammatory benefits and it has a hypoglycemic effect on the body, meaning it helps lower blood glucose and improve insulin sensitivity. Number 5, poppy seeds. The opium alkaloids in poppy seeds or khaskhas is known to help with relaxation and better sleep. Number 6, cashews. They are a great source of magnesium that help you sleep better. And number 7, saffron. The volatile compounds in saffron or kesar relax your muscles and have anti-aging benefits too. The first step would be to grind the cashews and the poppy seeds. For one serving, I'm going to take 5 cashews and 1 teaspoon poppy seeds and add these to a mortar pestle. I'm going to pound it really well to get a nice creamy mixture out of this. Feel free to use a mixer grinder. I like to do it the old school way. Our cashew poppy seed mixture is ready. This is what will give a beautiful creamy mouthfeel to the drink. Now for step number 2, we move on to the gas stove and add 1 cup milk to a container. Dairy would work or even a plant-based milk would work fine. I will now add my ingredients. Please watch for the quantities because we don't want to overpower the drink with too many spices. I'm adding half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 1 pinch black pepper powder, 1 pinch of nutmeg powder, and our entire pounded mixture of poppy seeds and cashews. Once the milk comes to a rolling boil, keep whisking it for 2 to 3 minutes and turn off the heat. Pour the drink into your favorite mug and it's time to add my last ingredient, which is 3 to 4 strands of saffron or kesar. Our relaxing bedtime drink is ready. Slow sips of this and you will feel your body begin to unwind. This simple nighttime ritual not only helps you sleep better but also supports immune system and lowers inflammation naturally. That's all from me today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, do hit the like button and let me know in the comments if you will be trying out this recipe or if you have any other favorite nightcap. I will see you guys in my next video. Take care until then. Bye.